Morning, guys. It's about 9:30, 10 o'clock here in McHenry, Johnsburg, McHenry, Illinois. Anyway, we're going to get rolling on this thing here. I wanted to show you the last thing I did last night was put these straps on. You can't see the one back here, but they go all the way around the actual structure of the thrust tube nozzle and stuff assembly, but I've modified it, and I've got another nice strong one across the top here. Actually, it took 3 short ones to get this done, and then what I did was I bound them underneath here with wood so that they wouldn't compress the foam. And you can see how that this one I did the wrong way, but it's pretty tight. It's not going anywhere. And this one here is down real good. Not strong enough to bind the motor anyway, but it does not move without this bolt, and it is epoxied down as well. So and those little prongs go down into there, and they're epoxied in as well. Now the lighting is what we're going to get rolling on this today. I'm still waiting on some extra strip lights. I've got a few of them, but I'm short by about 3 of them. But I'm going to do the runway side marking lights with the strip lights, and then I've got these set up in patterns to go side by side, 2 by 2, all the way up down to the end. So we're going to get rolling on that. Hang tight, enjoy the ride, and hope you're enjoying this. It's turned out a lot better than I actually expected. And, you know, I was just going to throw something together real quick out of junk, just to retrieve planes, because I plan on flying if the wind ever dies down, you know, off the water and stuff. We got enough of it around here that I should be able to find a place to fly. But need something to go get them if I don't feel like going swimming, right? So let's get rolling, and catch you in a short. Hang tight. guys, Skip here, and we've got the runway lights pretty well done here. Had one problem here with one bank of lights. I had everything installed, everything was looking good, and then this bank of lights canceled out on me. I tried rewiring, tried putting new LEDs on there, trying to get them match these, but no good. So we called Amazon, and we've got credit, and I ordered another set. So I should be able to get the module that works. In the meantime, take a look at this thing in the dark, guys. I think it looks pretty cool. And what we're missing still, though, is going to be the white strip lights along the sides up to, and then red up there at the front. Okay, they're coming tomorrow, so this is it for today. I'm about pooped, and I had a hard time, man. I really had a rough time trying to get those lights figured out and straightened out, and then wired it. The one supposed to be the orange lights up there. Wired them about 6 ways from Sunday. Tried going from both different sockets to see if I could get just at least one to work, and nothing. So we just ordered another one. The module will be a quick change. The lights are already installed, so that won't be a big deal. Other than that, the rest of the strip lights should be here tomorrow. We'll give you another peek. And she's ready for the water, guys. I've got everything else all done, and just got to wire up the rest of the lights. I've got temporary batteries right now to show you the strip light placement of the lights that I've got. But again, there's going to be red up in the front and white along the sides in strip lights, and then the flashing up the middle. And we'll get the amber one going right in the middle of that amber strip up there with a amber flashing on both sides too. So looks pretty cool, guys. I think this is going to be a lot of fun. It is ready for a maiden, weather permitting. I'm hoping Saturday, Sunday. All right. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching this little mini series. I've had a gas doing this, and we'll catch you soon. Okay, that's it for now. I'll check you guys back when I've got the nets on and the rest of the lighting and everything going, and we'll be probably ready to put it in the drink by then. Okay, till then, thanks for watching. This is Skip signing out.